What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. Today we're looking at the Senzo Meyiwa trial and the sort of like the chaos that has been happening throughout the investigations of this Senzo Meyiwa trial. The first incidents started with Colonel Busisiwe Joyce Buthelezi and Warrant Officer Meshach Makubo when they went to Durban as part of their investigations. When they went there, they raised concerns of a police cover-up. This police cover-up, they were saying that Brigadier Kininda had removed a crucial statement. This statement was actually telling us what actually happened at the Khumalo House on 26 October 2014. With this news, the rumors started circulating that Bheki Cele was actually involved in a cover-up to try and like divert the attention from the real people to these 5 accused. So Sifiso Meyiwa was one of the people who were pushing this news. So what is actually kind of surprising is that at one point, Senzo Meyiwa was involved in a clash with the cops, and he said himself that he was actually called and he was told that he was being investigated for corruption. Sifiso Meyiwa himself. So Bheki Cele himself, he was involved in assigning detectives to the Senzo Meyiwa case. And what's more, Advocate therefore actually went on to say that Bheki Cele himself, he is behind my arrest. When he was dramatically arrested in court, he pinned that blame on Bheki Cele. So Advocate therefore went on to open a case of defeating the ends of justice against Bheki Cele, but that case that he opened against Bheki Cele, it actually went nowhere. He actually filed that file at the Sandton police station. So the story with Advocate, therefore he was saying that Bheki Cele didn't want at all for Advocate 375 to see a day in court. He wanted this other docket 636, not 375. So this is some of the trouble and chaos that Bheki Cele actually went through when he was still in office.